how to start a remote cleaning business and make $100,000 plus each year. Have you ever wanted to start a profitable business you can run from anywhere? Imagine earning over $100,000 annually without needing to leave your home. In this video, we're going to teach you how to start, manage, and grow a remote cleaning business. It's easier than you think, and you don't need to clean a single house yourself to succeed. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear roadmap to building your business dream. Let's get started. Cleaning businesses are an excellent choice because their services are always in demand. People are busier than ever, and cleanliness has become a priority for homes, offices, and rental properties. Whether it's regular residential cleaning, office maintenance, or short-term rental turnovers, potential clients need reliable services. What makes this idea even better? With advancements in technology, you can operate your cleaning business remotely. That means you'll manage your team, handle bookings, and work with customers entirely online. Running the business remotely also lowers overhead costs. You don't need a physical office, and most of the tools you need are digital and affordable. Are you ready to create a scalable business in a growing industry? Let's move to the planning stage. Every successful business begins with market research. So how do you ensure your cleaning business thrives in your area? First, identify the demand. Is there a shortage of cleaning services in your community? Are there untapped niches like eco-friendly cleaning or luxury property maintenance? Websites like Google Trends or simply browsing local competitors' websites will give you insights into what's popular. Next, study your competitors. Check what services they offer, their pricing structures, and how they advertise. For example, if competitors focus only on weekly cleaning, you could target bi-weekly or monthly options to carve out your niche. Tailoring your services to market gaps increases your chances of success. Finally, define your focus. Are you targeting residential customers, commercial properties, or both? Your niche will guide how you market your business and who you hire. Once you know whom you'll serve, the next step is assembling a team of reliable cleaning professionals. This is crucial because the success of your remote cleaning business depends heavily on the quality of your staff. Start by recruiting through platforms such as Indeed, Craigslist, or local Facebook groups. Always provide clear job descriptions, including expected duties and pay rates. Build in a pre-screening process to shortlist high-quality candidates. Conduct interviews and, most importantly, background checks to ensure your hires are dependable and professional. You'll want workers who are efficient, trustworthy, and friendly because their behavior reflects directly on your business reputation. Lastly, offer competitive pay. Good wages and small incentives like bonuses for outstanding performance go a long way in retaining your best team members. The goal is to build a reliable and motivated staff that delivers consistent, high-quality services while you manage everything remotely. Now the exciting part, running the business remotely. Thanks to technology, you can manage employees, book clients, and collect payments with just a few clicks. Start with scheduling and invoicing software. Tools like Jobber, FieldPulse, or HouseCall Pro allow you to manage appointments, track progress, and even automate invoices. These platforms help you stay organized and make communication seamless. For customer service, consider using apps like WhatsApp Business or email marketing platforms for instant professional responses. Your clients should feel confident that their cleaning needs are always prioritized. You'll also need a system to track supplies and expenses without physically managing them. Train your staff to report supply usage and any necessary equipment updates on a regular schedule. This ensures you're always stocked and ready to handle new bookings. When built correctly, your operations will run smoothly, allowing you to focus on growth rather than daily headaches. Before accepting your first client, you need to structure your business legally and professionally. Start by choosing a business name that's catchy yet memorable. A name like Sparkling Spaces Co. or Eco-Fresh Cleaning immediately conveys your service. Check trademarks to ensure the name is unique. Next, set up your business legally. This includes registering as an LLC, securing appropriate insurance to protect against potential liabilities, and setting aside funds for taxes. These steps might seem tedious, but they create a solid foundation. Branding is equally important. Create a simple, professional logo and design a website that outlines your services, pricing, and contact information. If a website seems overwhelming, platforms like Squarespace or Wix make it simple. Also, don't neglect social media. Facebook and Instagram are excellent for showcasing before and after photos and engaging with potential customers. A well-planned marketing strategy is your key to landing customers and growing your business. But don't worry, you don't need a big budget to be effective. Start with online advertising. Google Ads and Facebook ads can target local homeowners or businesses that might need your services. You can easily adjust these campaigns based on your budget and goals. Customer reviews are another gold mine. Positive testimonials build trust, so make it a habit to ask happy clients to leave reviews on Google, Yelp, or your social media pages. Always thank them for their feedback. Don't underestimate traditional marketing either. Flyers, community bulletin boards, and partnerships with real estate agents or property managers can help you connect with locals. Lastly, consider offering referral discounts. For example, if a customer refers a friend, give both parties a 10% discount on their next cleaning. It's an easy and effective way to build loyalty and widen your client base. Once you've started gaining momentum, the focus shifts to managing and scaling your operations. Efficient management ensures long-term success, while scaling allows you to increase revenue exponentially. Customer feedback is your best tool for quality control. Follow up with clients after each cleaning and ask if they're satisfied. Use feedback to improve your services and train your team. Keep track of your business finances weekly. This includes monitoring income, payroll expenses, and marketing costs. Clean financial records will make reinvestment decisions seamless. When you're ready to scale, reinvest in your business. This could mean hiring more staff, expanding your service area, or offering specialized services like carpet cleaning, window washing, or even organizing services. To grow sustainably, always ensure that the demand justifies your expansion efforts. Lastly, don't forget yourself. Managing a growing business can be overwhelming. Set systems in place to reduce your involvement in smaller tasks so you can focus on the bigger picture while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Starting a remote cleaning business is more than a side hustle. It's an opportunity to create a sustainable, profitable enterprise. By researching your market, hiring and managing a reliable team, and leveraging digital tools, the path to success becomes clearer. This business model is flexible, scalable, and suitable for anyone looking for a low-risk entry into entrepreneurship. Whether you want a part-time side project or a full-time six-figure income, the choice and potential are yours. Thank you for staying with us through this guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable business insights. Your journey toward financial freedom and business success starts today. Why wait? This script ensures clarity, completeness, and actionable advice that resonates with those seeking accessible business opportunities.